A massive $2.5 billion bet just shook Wall Street. Humanoid robots are invading warehouses right now, replacing human workers to solve staffing shortages. Is your job safe? Meet Agility Robotics, the company leading this revolution. Valued at a staggering $2.5 billion, they are building humanoid robots designed to work alongside us, mimicking our every move. Watch them bend, stretch, and lift heavy boxes just like you do. They never tire, never complain, and they are ready to take over the heavy lifting in warehouses worldwide right now. Why the sudden rush? Warehouses face massive staffing shortages, and investors are betting billions that these machines are the ultimate cure. They want robots working 24/7, starting right now. This massive cash injection is accelerating the deployment of humanoid robots globally. From Tokyo to Berlin, automated giants are stepping onto warehouse floors, forever changing how goods move across the planet. But what does this mean for the average worker? As these mechanical beasts march into the warehouses, human employees are left wondering if their paychecks will vanish overnight. The tension is rising fast. But wait, it is not just about losing jobs. Experts warn this shift could trigger a massive economic shockwave, rewriting the rules of labor forever. Are we ready for what comes next? Some argue these robots will create new, better jobs. But can a displaced warehouse worker suddenly become a robot programmer? The transition won't be easy, and time is running out fast. As Wall Street pours billions into this robotic future, one thing is clear: the warehouse floor will never be the same. The march of the machines has officially begun. The robotic revolution is here, and it is unstoppable. As these machines take over, we must ask ourselves, are we heading toward a golden age of leisure or a future of mass unemployment?